today's workout, we have 5 different exercises. You're gonna complete each exercise for 60 seconds. After you go through the first, second, and third set, take a 30 to 60 second break in between and then start right back up with the next set. So first exercise is gonna be 8 high knee mountain climbers and then 8 mountain climbers. So you're gonna go 8, 7. So it's per side. After you complete 8, jump right down and then drive your knee to your chest. Again, it's gonna be 8 per side. Second thing, you're gonna drop down to a low plank hold. You're gonna drive your knee to the same tricep right here. So again, it's for 60 seconds. If you want, you could just drop down, hold the plank, or you could still continue on driving the knee to the tricep from your knees. Then go ahead and grab a set of dumbbells for the third thing. It's an upright row. Palms are gonna face forward, elbows are gonna lead, and then inhale down. So exhale, inhale down. So it's all about control. Doesn't matter how fast you're going, just control good form. Fourth thing, you're gonna come out a little bit wider than hip width apart. You're gonna lift those dumbbells right up by your shoulders. You're gonna sit down into a squat. Exhale, come up, right up overhead, squat press. So again, 60 seconds. One thing you could do even is take your dumbbell here and then press up. So you find what works for you for those 60 seconds. Final thing, you have the option on the weights if you want to keep them or not. Excuse me, Tucker. You're going to do 2 squats. 1, 2. Make sure your child or animal doesn't put anything behind you. Step back, lunge, and then lunge. So it's 2 squats, chest up, butt down, come back up, lunge, and then lunge. So like I said, take a 30 to 60 second break and then go ahead and repeat again. 4 times total, you guys.